Welcome to
Fully Cooked, because we cook like a bunch of fools too.
Fully
Cooked!
Hi guys, so we moved into this house a little over a month ago. Maybe a month ago, I don't know. My daughter is trying to take a nap over here and I'm talking. She's like, hey, I'm here. Anyway, this bedroom has been cleaned for about half an hour. Well, recently we have been trying to sell everything that we own pretty much and that we don't absolutely need and use. Let me shut the door. I can't even shut the door up in here. There's just so much stuff. Okay, so we had 3 expedites that had a total of 20 slots, and they were all stacked up on top of each other. 2 8s and 1 4 cubby holes, you know. So it had a total of 20 cubby holes for toys. Well, we sold it, got it delivered to them, and now I have one tiny little dresser. I have tons of books and homeschooling stuff, and I have nowhere to put it. So I have to rearrange, kind of, and figure out how this is going to get done. My daughter, so far, is not able to sleep in a bed. She hates it. I have tried to get her into bed 3 or 4 times, so we are going to sell it. Right now she's sleeping in a tent. It does have a mattress underneath. Everybody freaks out about that. Her tent has a mattress in it. I would not put my kid to sleep on the floor. It has a mattress underneath of the bed. She loves it. Rafael slept in one. He loves it. So we're just going to let her sleep in there, and we're going to sell the bed and get rid of it. And then they will have more space in their bedroom, even more space, to play, because this is not only their bedroom, but it is their playroom as well. We live in a tiny house. Our house has smaller than 700 square feet, so it's tiny, tiny, tiny. And some of that square feet is actually counted under the roof of our porch, pretty much. It has no walls on it, but it's got a roof, so they count that as well. So I will just go ahead and show you the room, and then hopefully do an after shot, because I really want to get this room done today, and I want to get rid of it. You know what I mean? I don't want this to control my life. The kids' rooms have controlled my life for the past 5 years. It's just a nagging thing. It's never been clean, and it's never been completely organized, and it's never stayed that way, ever. So I'll show you what I have right now, and then hopefully I'll show you what I want to have in an after. Okay, this is the Malm, and this has my daughter's clothes in it. You can see they are not organized. So that's 6-drawer Malm with all of my daughter's clothes in it. And here are some of the overflow of stuff that came off of that. Here's the bed, and it has all the overflow of the more stuff. Here's the floor. It's a complete disaster. I mean, there's a banana in here that they brought in here this morning. I would never have seen that. Here is my son's bed. There's all of his kitties. I brought in this bench, and it's holding my son's really big trucks and cars. Got some baskets here. I probably have at least 20 to 30 baskets that I'll need to also get rid of. So we have girl toys and boy toys. We did have, you know, an organizing thing here for school, his backpack, lunchbox, hats, things like that. And this is the 3-drawer dresser, and I want to put 2 shelves up here to hold boxes like these of things that are already organized. Okay, and I have 3 boxes there of stuff that we are, 2 boxes right here of stuff we're not using yet, and some books. So yeah, I want to put all of the books on this dresser and all of these up on the shelf and figure the rest out. Yeah, that's a lot of work. It's gonna take a while.
Okay, for me, this is the hardest part of organizing a room. I don't have enough places to put things. I have no places set to put things. and I have no idea where I'm gonna put anything. That's like the first #1 rule of organizing, right? You have to have a place for everything. I don't know where anything goes because nothing's ever been in its place. I've never had a place, so I have to create one. I do know what I want though. What I want for sure is I want all these books on this Malm dresser right here. So I'm taking all the books, putting them on the Malm. And okay, so I don't have any bookends. I don't even know if they sell bookends here, but I had my son go outside and get a brick. So we washed the brick, put it on the end, and we're using it as a bookend. Now I'm gonna have like different sections to this Malm dresser of books here. You're in my way, son. Okay, so to section it off, I'm gonna have like school books, you know, Hebrew books and school books are together, and then I'm gonna have like chapter books and reading books, story books for nighttime, and then I'm gonna have activity books separated. So I have some little totes that have toys in them, and I have the coloring books and the drawing stuff right next to where we store all of the colored pencils and the crayons and stuff like that. So all of it is separated out. And on the end, unfortunately, I don't have another brick, but I could probably find one. I just stacked up some Hebrew picture books. Okay, I have this one pretty well sorted out. I have some reading books right here. I have some reading books right here. I have some reading.
Unacceptable!
Honestly, are you kidding me with this? This is like the second day because I just couldn't wrap my head around like, what am I going to do with this stuff? So my husband put up one shelf. We decided on one shelf because we're not going to be able to reach the second shelf. And the shelf came out so far that it looked like it was actually going to stab you in the eye when you walked by it. So we had to put it all the way against the corner here where nobody is actually going to be walking around it. So it's holding a few totes, which got them off of my dresser, which was good.
Hi everyone, Mommy's organizing. Daddy put up that shelf. I hope you have a great day. Bye. Ah, my cat.
Put this 5 shekels where the money goes. Okay, those are cars, and they go to that, you know, because he plays with his cars together. This is Play-Doh. This is a set, like a Lego set.
Please.
This is stuff that I don't want her to get into. It's his magic tracks. This is a straws with a connection set. I'm going to put flashcards right here. This is going to be kind of like her little place. She's starting with the flashcards and the counting cards. She just likes to look at the pictures right now. I have Rafael's time learning set. It's in Spanish and English. It's from America. And 2 sorters for her. She has 2 more sorters. She has this right here that she loves to play with, so I'll put it over here. So we can get to her toys. She will play with this for an hour. Missing one right now, but I do have it. But she'll just play with that for an hour, so just stack her toys right here for now. She has a bus sorter, and I think that's all she has for right here. So what is going here? This probably has to stay here. So I might put some, like, I need to empty this out and sort it, but I might put some, like, board or something so I could put this on top of it. Just to store.
No, that looks too big. Yeah, that's too big. Never mind.
Goodness me's.
Don't know where that's gonna go. Maybe on the floor then, because it doesn't fit. But progress so far. I have almost an empty floor right here. A full bed, and a bunch of stuff right there. She's also got some blocks. I may sell... Oh, you put something in there? Oh, that was unfortunate. So I may sell her blocks and the Legos as well, and this box right here that we're not using. And I think we're going to sell the bed. I have to wash the mattress to make sure that it's clean. Yep.
Thank you for watching. Let's film something out there. Out in the living room.
I'm not done with this room yet.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, you see here, these are all the things in my entire house that don't have a home. So, except for the cat toys. They go in the living room. And the Baba, because she just dropped that. Anyway, it's mostly toys. So, I'm just going to put this stuff up somewhere. This is a dollhouse. I'll probably put it over there. Got electronic toys over here now. A toy box, which is mostly her toys. Electronic toys and writers. And blocks. And no, I won't shut my kids up because they live here and they talk and they have their opinions and that's what she wants to say. So, this is what I have to clean up today. Okay, just have a little bit more stuff. Yeah, almost done. Gotta put the stuff away on the table as well.
And Mommy's gotta take a picture of Catboy.
That's right. And this is the end result of this room. This is a train track. This is building blocks. I've got 3-drawer dresser. I have his marble run and her stuff, sorters and things that she loves. I have a dirty rag because I was washing everything down. Those are cars that go with this. These are all individual. He knows which was which here. This actually goes in a different room. This is this. We would love to get him started on an instrument sometime soon. And I brought this in. It's a bread box. And he can put his little treasures in there, away from the baby. These are all of his books, reading books before bedtime. These are some coloring books and some tracing books with some blank paper and all of his crayons, so he can just take a drawer out and take it with him because they come out. So he's got some tracing things. Here's some more books. And some Hebrew books. And there's his robot. I cannot get the stain out. I have no idea what it is. But we had an expedite on top of this. And something leaked underneath of it. And it stayed there. And now it's like permanent. Can't get it out. I have been scrubbing and scrubbing. These are her clothes. He's putting stickers on my stuff now. I'm going to have to stop that. Didn't really do much here in this corner, but this is all of her stuffed animals and stuff. I have to put clothes away that's on her bed right now. And he made his bed this morning. So this is what their room looks like right now. And I'm going to wait like a week. I will make a different video. Wait like a week and see if they keep it relatively clean without me coming in here every day and cleaning it. Because I clean it once a week. And when I mean clean, I mean I vacuum the floor and I mop and I dust. I don't do too much cleaning. So, hi. Thank you so much for watching. Check out our other videos and our other channels where we daily vlog every single day on Fully Living. Leave us a comment to let us know you are here. Have a great day.